session we start with medical terminology of 20 minutes, and then English 60 minutes, mathematics 45 minutes.
Hello and a happy new year. We are here at the beginning of the year 2021, which also marks the beginning of the second semester of the 2020-2021 academic year at Avicenna International College. Today we will be starting with the semi-final examination of the foundation program students in order to assess the progress they have had in the first semester. My name is Dr. Arash Mirza Husseini and I am a chemistry teacher at Avicenna International College in the Avicenna Medical Foundation Program, and I have had a large part in compiling the semi-final test questions that the students will face in the written part of the exam. Every semi-final examination has two parts. The first is a written exam and the second is an oral interview. Whether you are in the Avicenna Medical Foundation Program or in one of the language programs, the English or the German Foundation Program, these semi-final exam questions have been designed to mimic very important exam questions that you will face in the future, be it university entrance exam questions for medical universities in the case of AMFP, or certain prominent language exams like the IELTS English exam or the Goethe German exam in the case of the language programs. The written part of the semi-final exam for the Avicenna Medical Foundation Program students consists of test questions which mimic the entrance exam questions they will face at the university of their choosing, and is broken down into the different modules that were taught in the first semester, namely cell and molecular biology. There are some questions of medical genetics, medical immunology, general chemistry, human anatomy, medical terminology, mathematics, and academic English. The oral part of the examination, which comes after the written part, is an oral interview in order to assess the speaking abilities and the general scientific knowledge of students in biological sciences and chemical sciences, the exact two subjects that the students will have to perform in during the oral part of the entrance examinations to medical university in Europe. For the case of the English and German Foundation Program semi-final exams, the written part is mimicked exactly based on those capabilities and modules that are assessed during language examinations, namely grammar and vocabulary, listening, writing, and speaking. The oral examination also breaks down the performance of students based on the point system that is used during the language exams. Hopefully the beginning of this new year will not only bring success but health to all of our students and all of our citizens. We have carefully organized the written and oral part of the semi-final exam in light of the stringent restrictions due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The semi-final exam has two objectives at the same time. It acts mainly as a formative assessment, therefore informing the students of their progress during the first semester, and helps the students and the teachers and us who help them in their curriculum to better prepare them during the second semester for the entrance exams. But it also has in small part a summative assessment objective, which means that the marks that the students receive during the semi-final exam hopefully will be of very high results and will count towards their final certificate results. Hopefully the students have had a chance to rest along with preparing for the semi-final exam during the winter period. With strong work and dedication, we are definitely sure that the good results of the semi-final exam will take us to the path of successful the students in the future, whether it be an entrance exam to a university or whether a language exam and applying to higher education elsewhere in Europe. I wish you all success during the semi-finals and see you soon.